My name is 𝒂𝒃𝒃𝒊𝒕. I have been a traveling model for the last 7 years, and I absolutely love making art with just photographers and people all around the country. I even converted my van into a camper so I can just tour around. So that is my lifestyle, and I absolutely love it. I first found out about Muses in Wonderland because Alice reached out to me and just asked if I wanted to be a part of it. And I am so happy that last year I said yes, and I'm back again, and it's just getting better and better every single time. So thank you so much, Alice. Muses in Wonderland is unlike any event that I've ever been to in my entire life. Alice has a really amazing way of really catering to both photographers and models because she's been to so many different events, and she has that sensitivity and creates a safe space where we can really just thrive and not have to worry about all the baloney that comes with other events, because she vets every photographer, every model, and is just like there every step of the way to just provide for you and just, yeah, make it just a safe space where we can just have fun and make art. When I first arrived to Muses in Wonderland, I was just like, do I have to leave? Do I ever have to leave this place? It is such a magical environment. And then you get to like see all the models and photographers roll in. You get to meet them. You just create, it creates a community where we can all just be ourselves, wander around, try on tons of crazy outfits, and just be in nature. And yeah, it's pretty freaking magical. I would say my favorite location at Muses in Wonderland is like a new development this year that is just, it was just added on. So it's, you pass the magical bridge of 𝒂𝒏 to the other side. And there's like a picnic table and like a swinging bench right by a creek bed. And it is like, I'm just like, can I just read a book here and just zen out and meditate? Because it's just like so peaceful, and I've shot down there a bunch. I try to drag like all my photographers down there, so sorry if you all get the same photos. It's just magic. Oh my goodness, the horses are, yeah, it just adds to the splendor of this incredible space. The horses are just, I actually camped out on this property and I woke up to like the whinnying of horses, like the sound, the that was a really bad attempt. But I woke up to like the horses right early in the morning. Of course, it was actually really scary because I was like, what the heck is that? But yeah, it's amazing. I never get that experience anywhere else when I'm minivan camping. If you guys want to follow my travel adventures and my modeling photos, please follow my social media right here. Thank you guys so much.